Hello, I'm Mrs. Stava. Mrs. Shemp and I teamed up together beginning the 2019-2020 school year to offer a STEM class that meets once a week for our middle school students. We decided to work with the sixth grade class to create a Monarch way station on the school property. We were thrilled with how much the students got out of that project, so we started looking for ways to offer similar project-based learning experiences for our 7th and 8th graders. We would like to create a pollinator lab complete with an indoor observation beehive and an outdoor bee box, along with a pollinator garden area planted with native pollinator plants. These would be located on the hill right outside our science lab window. The project would be planned and installed by our 7th and 8th grade class during the 2021-2022 school year. Based on our experience with the current and last year's 6th grade class, we found that the students really enjoyed learning about the butterflies, their life cycles, and their habitat through our Monarch way station. But they also learned so much more. We were able to see a great deal of growth as they took ownership and responsibility for things like emailing our master gardeners for help with the garden, writing grants to raise money for the garden, making presentations to our facilities managers to get permission to build the garden, submitting soil tests, and calculating what can be purchased based on our budget. They learned important collaboration skills, such as making decisions as a team and dividing up roles and tasks. And since they're passing this garden down to the next sixth grade class, they need to make sure that they document all of their decisions and processes so that the next class can pick up where they left off. The really cool thing about this project was that they learned all of these things without even really realizing they were learning it. Listen to what some of our students had to say about our Monarch way station project.
Hi, I'm Claire. I'm in 7th grade. I'm really glad that we got to do the butterfly way station. It helped our class mature some and get to know what it's like to have some responsibility. I think it was really cool learning the difference between all the different kinds of caterpillars in milkweed. I think our school would really like having bees because we can learn more about different kinds of insects and kind of compare and contrast them. I like doing STEM class because we get to learn all kinds of different things that you wouldn't really think that you'd learn in school.
Hi, I'm Adora and I'm in 6th grade and I'm in a STEM class. I like the butterfly garden because we get to learn about their habitat and like all sorts of facts about them. And I like being in the butterfly garden because we get to work in groups, and I like being with my friends and working by the butterfly garden to see the plants and like what they eat and all sorts of stuff. And I'm excited that they're gonna do a beehive next year.
Hi, I'm Taylor and I'm in 7th grade. I am really excited to be able to do the bee honeycomb garden, and I'm sure that our class will be excited too. We really liked doing the butterfly way station, and we think that it helped our class. I really like STEM class because it's like learning in the classroom, but it's different. You don't have to sit in a desk, and the teacher isn't lecturing you on math, reading, and other stuff. You get to do projects. Right now, we're working on a roller coaster project, and we're building roller coasters with each individual group.
Hi, I'm Brayden, and I like the STEM class because we get to learn about butterflies and new species, and it's not a normal write everything down on a piece of paper class. I am really excited to see indoor beehive, and I am hoping to see new plants in our butterfly garden to help it look better.
Hi, I'm Dawn, and I'm in the 6th grade Hope Lutheran Butterfly Garden STEM class. And a few reasons why I like the Butterfly Garden class is because we get to learn more about butterflies and work with our class in planting plants in our butterfly garden and watching them. And I'm really excited to plant more plants in our garden and keep it going because I really love this class. And it's fun that we can keep it going for other classes after us we can pass it down and that they can learn more about butterflies too, and we can pass our knowledge to them. Also like that we get to work with our friends in groups.
Charlie and I'm in 7th grade. So I feel like the butterfly garden helped us a lot to understand better the process of the caterpillar turning into a butterfly. And I feel like it was a really fun learning process because we get to spend more time with our classmates and not sitting down in a desk writing. And it also makes me really happy now that because of our way station, less monarch butterflies are dying each day. And I just feel like that's really fun to know that we could help in a different way while we also had fun.
The Monarch Way Station project opened the students' eyes to the world around them and made them aware of how important it is to take care of our world and that everyone can do something. Knowing that they will be passing down the Monarch Way Station to the next class, they are looking for their next project. After hearing their testimonials, we are confident that our next project will be just as successful. Will you help us make this a reality for them?